This video will explain UPI AutoPay limits and safety. First, we will understand what is UPI AutoPay mandate means. You give one-time permission to automatically pay a fixed amount on a fixed date. The system then debits money as per your approval only. Now we will see UPI AutoPay limits. First point, standard automatic debit limit. For normal categories like OTT subscriptions, mobile recharge, electricity bill, Wi-Fi bill. For that, latest rule is up to 15,000 per transaction. This means if the amount is 15,000 or less, it is debited automatically. No need to enter your UPI PIN every month. Second point, higher limit for special financial categories. For mutual fund SIP, insurance premium and credit card bill. Latest rule is up to 100,000 rupees per transaction. This also works automatically without entering UPI PIN every time. If your bill is more than the allowed limit, then you must open your UPI app and approve it manually using UPI PIN. So automatic debit will not happen without your approval. You can create many autopay instructions even if the total becomes more than 1 lakh because each mandate is treated separately. Now we will see latest processing timing rule. Autopay payments are now processed during non-peak hours, mostly late night or early morning. This is done to make UPI faster, reduce server load and avoid payment failure. If an autopay fails, the system will try one main attempt plus 3 retries to complete the payment. Now we will see the safety features. UPI AutoPay is considered very safe because of these controls. First one, it starts only with your UPI PIN. No AutoPay can be created without your UPI PIN approval. So nobody else can activate it. Second one, fixed amount rule. The company cannot debit random money. They can only debit the amount you approved within the maximum limit you set on the date you approved. Third one, pre-debit notification. Before money is deducted, you receive a message with amount and date. So you are always informed. This is part of RBI recurring payment safety system. Fourth one, full control from your app. You can view, pause, modify and cancel any autopay mandate anytime. No need to call the customer care. Fifth one, bank level processing. Autopay is handled by your bank and UPI system, not by the app alone. So your money stays protected under banking security. When you must be careful. Never approve a mandate if you do not recognize the merchant name because autopay means future automatic payments. Now we will see simple real life example. Think of UPI AutoPay like giving written permission to your bank, like pay my electricity bill every month up to 2000 rupees. Your bank will not pay more than 2000 rupees, inform you before the payment, stop if you cancel. So you are always in control. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.